So welcome. In this video I'm going to show you the best 10 internet service providers in Uganda and the ones with the best unlimited internet bundles. Let's get started right away. So to get started, let's look at MTN, of course the biggest service provider, and it's the one I use for Wakanet Pro. I recorded the video sometime back about how to connect with the MTN Wakanet Pro using the MTN UG app. So you probably want to check that video out if you are interested in the MTN Wakanet internet. But anyways, this is the homepage right here. Welcome to the Gaga Everyday. These are some other bundles. Probably have some other services, even the ones for phone loans and the other business packages or business related services. In this video we are going to focus mainly on the internet bundles, so we're not going to go into details about the other services, the other bundles these service providers do provide. So to get started, the international bundles, SMS bundles and MTN prestige for businesses. So this is the MTN Wakanet Fiber internet that we want to focus on. So let's say the cheapest starts with from 130,000, that's Uganda shillings. Now the Wakanet MiFi, I don't think this is an unlimited. So remember the fiber is different from the other broadband services, and you might want to check out the blog post at mugabeimran.com where I take you through everything that you need to know about data bundles and the internet. That's why I will also mention about the best internet service providers back in I don't know which year. Let me check. Let's search for best cheapest data bundles in Uganda. And okay, my post is this one, best unlimited data bundles right here. This is the post 2 years back, I guess so. So this is the post I'm talking about, but it's also available on the website at mugabeimran.com. So if you open up this post and scroll through this, okay, so I have a couple of posts here because that one was talking about this one was talking about the best internet service providers. This one was talking about the best unlimited data bundles. And this other one which says the best internet service providers in East Africa and beyond, cheapest data bundles. One where I break down for you everything that you need to know about internet terms that you use, what bandwidth means, a modem, routers, what broadband means, what fiber optical cable means. So all that stuff, break it down for you here on the website at mugabeimran.com. Anyways, so back to MTN, back to our video for this year. So that was 2 years back. The original post was actually in 2021, right? So this is the Wakanet Pro, and to get to this page you need to go to MTN Wakanet. That should bring you to this place right here where you can click on this. So that should take you to the page, but actually the process for you to activate is easier on the WhatsApp. If you can get their WhatsApp, it might be easier for you there. For me, simply come to the website, just check out the prices and compare the prices for example here have the Wakanet packages from 130, and then I can see that it's up to 60 MBs per second, and the Wakanet fiber, the next package is 100 MBs per second for 195. So I come in and compare these prices, and then I can go back to the MTN app to get started with the signing up. Shop section, which sells the Wakanet 5G routers and the MiFis and I think the phones. Plus they have cameras accessories. And by the way, MTN also has the MTN marketplace, or the Momo marketplace, where you can sell your stuff basically. Whether it's electronics, clothes, whatever you're selling, you can place it up there on the marketplace. It's basically like the Facebook marketplace, but this one by MTN. You can find all that in this app right here, the My MTN app. That's it for MTN Wakanet. Let's move on to the next one, which is Airtel. I know there are some other big players that are silent, but these are the players that we know, the biggest. MTN, Airtel. So number 2, Airtel right here. Of course, you can use all sorts of stuff. You can buy the voice bundles, the Airtel money, of course, the Airtel broadband. But what we are here for is the unlimited packages, and for those you go to data bundles. Not forgetting this app right here, the My Airtel app. If you want to get some promos, So this is of course you go to data bundles to get started with you, and then you select phone number, let's say. But there's some new bundles that they have introduced. This is the list of the data bundles for 1 day, but remember we are interested more so in monthly bundles. Then if possible, the unlimited bundles. So this is 5G unlimited right here, 500. This is not really unlimited. I believe if it has a cap that gives you 500 GB 30 days, 100 and anyway. So the plans that you should be looking for by Airtel, the unlimited plans, are the ones called the Stream Fiber products, and then search for, I simply search for unlimited bundles in the Google, then have to look for the unlimited data bundles from Airtel. So this is the Stream Fiber that we are talking about, up to 170 MBs per second. So this is the prices from 130 basic plan. I wouldn't want to start comparing stuff right now, but if you notice, Wakanda Fiber offers 60 MBs per second for the same price right here. So anyways, that's just the important thing of being able to compare stuff. So they have the classic, they have the flex fiber and the flex wireless, just like the MTN guys have this light, and then they have the next one which is called Pro, Wakanda Pro. Don't know why they haven't put the names here. Anyway, so that's MTN unlimited internet and Airtel unlimited internet for you. So the next one is Rock Telecom. This is not the fiber optic, but they also have that wireless and unlimited internet which they connect with that small antenna they put at the roof. 10 MBs per second for 112,000. Again, I think MTN would be, don't want to compare stuff at this moment. When you see this speed, 10 MB, I see that MTN offers 60 MB per second for almost the same price. I can tell you, but go back to compare to that MTN price, MTN package. Anyway, so this is their homepage. What you want to do is go to products and services and look for Rock at Home, starting with the package we just saw. Now they had 10 MBs and they increased it to 20 MBs. So right here is the package. No caps. That's what you should be looking for in unlimited data bundles. No caps. Some of these guys are going to say it's unlimited, but it's capped to probably 500 GB like we saw. So that's what you want to look for. No caps. You want to look for the unlimited data internet bundles that have no caps. So these are the packages: the home standard, the home extra, and the home turbo. That's work for you right there. But if you want the plan, of course the WhatsApp is available, and when you get the app, it's also easier for you to apply. So let's move to the next one, which is Zoco Fiber. Zoco guys have these satellite TV packages which you can also check out, but we are more interested in the Zoco high speed internet, the Zoco Fiber. So if you select this, takes you to the page of Zoco Fiber right here. So checking out these packages of the triple play. Now the triple play comes with the internet and the TV packages, as I just mentioned. The Zoco guys are more into the adventure, the decoders, the satellite TV packages. These are the packages that have only TV packages, the Zoco Smart, Classic, and Premium. And by the way, another place for you guys to contact service providers, any service provider that you might be using, is Twitter. So from Twitter you can be able to send them a message, and in most cases these companies they reply very quick. So if you don't get, but of course if they have WhatsApp, I think WhatsApp is better. I don't know, but I find it easier to contact these companies on Twitter, where most of them do reply fast. So anyways, that's the triple play packages, which comes with both the internet and the TV bundles. Free installation. By the way, I forgot to mention that free installation for MTN as well. Airtel also has the free installation. And Rock Telecom, that's the big problem now. They haven't mentioned it here, but their installation is actually expensive. If you're going to simply subscribe for this first package right here, your initial payment is going to be like 600,000. Can you believe it? 500,000 for installation of Rock Telecom internet. So that's the downside of Rock Telecom. That's the downside. But these guys, I think free installation for MTN. Simply pay for this package 130, and these guys will come with their team, the installation team. Just like I showed you, I think in the last video, and also on the website, I have a post about the MTN Wakanet internet. Anyways, so that's Rock Telecom for you and Zuku Fiber. The Zuku Fiber, what you want to look for is the Zuku business packages, and these are the packages with only the internet. Maybe if you want the TV, you can go with the triple play packages. But if you simply want the internet, this is where you go. 10 MBs per second, unlimited, free installation, free Wi-Fi router, free static. Yeah, most of these they provide the free router, of course, the free installation. 10 MBs, 30 MBs per second. So you notice 10 MBs per second at 179, which is way higher than the MTN for 100 and I don't know why I keep mentioning MTN, but so far what I've seen is they're offering more speed for less price. But we're not here to compare, like simply here to look at these bundles. So anyways, if you want to contact them, ways to contact them, easiest is WhatsApp, but you can also try the Twitter or visit them. That's Zuku Fiber phone. I think let's move on to the next one right here, which is Liquid Telecom. And their website is very simple. What you're looking for is the products and services. So from products and services, also up here in the menu, you simply go to internet packages. You have their services for businesses, mostly the broadband devices. It's like a shop where you can buy some of these. So let's say something happened to yours, you can come in here and buy. So let's go to internet packages, the ultra fast, unlimited, and unbeatable. I like that. So internet packages starting from 130 for 20 MBs per second, unlimited usage, free installation, and free Wi-Fi router, of course, which provides the Wi-Fi in your home. So 4 packages, the bronze plus, silver, and gold. So depending on your availability from Kampala, Mpigi, Ntebe, Wakiso, Gayaza, Masaka, Dinya, Mukono. So that's Liquid Telecom there for you. Of course, you go to contact, this is where you get their WhatsApp number, can begin from there, or you can simply visit them, which is faster. But first of all, the reason we are showing this, of course, is for you to be able to do your own research before you go to, you probably might be living somewhere far, and you want to know if these guys are actually going to provide for you the service that you are looking for. So this is where you come to these websites and maybe search your area. Try to see if these guys are available in your area. All these should be having that, the coverage part, that's where you go. Maybe these guys should have it too. So it should be somewhere you can look for it, which shows the locations, confirms that this internet is available in your area, so you can actually waste your time. Anyway, so that's Liquid Telecom there for you. Next is the Uganda Telecom. Now this one has been acting silent in the background, but it's there. And I think it mostly focuses on huge businesses. And this is their home page for their website, the Uganda Telecom website. And we want to look for internet bundles. As I said in this video, we are focusing on internet bundles and most especially unlimited internet bundles. So we have all these other services, but we are focusing on internet bundles. And what you want to look for is personal solutions and go to fiber services. So once you click that, it will take you to this page from personal solutions to fiber services. You might be tempted to go to business solutions, look for a broadband services. So this is where you find the fiber services. Their plan starts from 120,000 per month for 10 MBs per second. You can come in here and survey and see, send them information. It's like contact information. Send them this contact info. They will contact you and they come to your area and they survey and they see if it's going to be possible for you. Next is Savannah Fiber. So Savannah Fiber is one of the new ones in the industry, new ones in Uganda's internet service providers. But they have this thing I've been talking about, the location tracker. Their cheapest bundle begins with their 72,000, which is very cool, at 10 MBs per second. Weird names, Twig and Chewy, Simba and Dove. As usual, you can check them out on WhatsApp to get started with their packages to sign up. Check out their WhatsApp. You can use it on desktop. You can use it on your mobile phone. To use it on desktop, you need to probably download it. The WhatsApp option might be the easiest and the fastest. The button is just down below. I think my picture might be covering it in the right bottom corner. So that is Savannah for you. Connect to Savannah fiber internet. High speed is Uganda's high speed internet. So this is the cheapest Twig bundle for 70,000. To get started, these are the payment methods available. Now we have the mobile money options, of course, the MTN and Airtel, as well as the Savannah fiber app. If you want to buy from a retailer, maybe some agent, Savannah fiber agent. So next is the Simba fiber, fast, fairer, for less. Cheapest bundle to begin with. Cheapest unlimited bundle for Simba fiber is the Simba Silver at 120,000 up to 50 MBs per second. Okay, that's cool. And we have the Simba Gold and Simba Platinum and Simba Corporate. Okay, so it seems like the Simba fiber is has similar packages to the Zuku fiber, whereby you have TV packages as well as the fiber internet packages. For this one, the Simba fiber is specifically for internet, so that's the fiber packages. But you notice they have there. So I think it's called the Simba TV or something. Anyway, so for new installation, you have to fill out this form right here. New installation or shifting your installation. Simply inputting your names and phone number, email address to be reached out to, plus your package. You choose your package from these ones right here on the home page, and then you can choose your location. By the way, I think you can use their location checker to see if they have coverage in your location. Anyway, so that's Simba fiber for you. Next is the canal box. This is also one of the new ones with the cheapest offer start at 110, 50 MBs per second. Not bad. And you have the premium offer for 200 MBs per second. That's too much. That's a huge difference between 110 and 200. Anyways, very simple website. They also have the check my coverage and count there if you want to sign up. Let's move on to the next one. Which is Leica Mobile. Now, Leica Mobile, I don't think they have the unlimited package, but at least they have some of the cheapest data bundles which you can sign up for with a SIM card, a 2K SIM card and a 10K SIM card. So the difference is for the 2K SIM card, you have 500 MBs. 10K SIM card, you have 5 GBs to begin with, plus 500 SMSs, like unfortunately, and 500 minutes. There are the GBs bundles down here, but you can go through the menu to check out the plans. Anyway, so I think that's Leica Mobile there for you. Okay, so that's Leica Mobile, and what you want to look for is, okay, should be under plans. So from products and services, we look for the bundles right here, and then we look for the monthly bundles. This is also has a cap to it, which means that it's not completely unlimited. It's capped to up to I think 500 GB. So those you have to click on view more until you find the last bundles. That's monthly 350 GB for 300,000, which is, I believe, a bit much. And they also offer this 5,000 minutes Leica to Leica. So that means this comes with the voice bundle. So I don't think they have the completely unlimited data bundle. But in any case, I think that's it for today's video. The best internet service providers in Uganda and the ones with the best unlimited internet bundles, also the cheapest internet bundles in Uganda. So if you do find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, leave some comments, let me know which bundles you are using, what is your best internet bundle, what's your best unlimited data bundle, what's your best cheapest data bundle. Even subscribe, be sure to do that and click on that bell notification button. So thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next